Okay, this is Math Models Review 5-2. This is all about transformations. Okay, I've got some linears in here, I've got some quadratics, I've got some cubics, absolute values, even threw a few radicals on there. But basically, all your transformations come down to this. Okay? If you're inside the parentheses, it's x values and backwards. If you're outside the parentheses, it is y value and normal. Okay, so you can think of this, your inside is also your horizontal axis, or you can think if I'm going left and right, we've also switched it, my plus is on the left and my negative is on the right. Okay, your y value is also known as your vertical axis. Okay. Also, you think that's my up and down. Again, but this is normal, so positive is up and negative is down. Okay. Also remember, Also note, whenever you are adding or subtracting, that is a shift. Whenever you are multiplying or dividing, that is either a shift, a stretch, or shrink. And last but not least, if you are multiplying or dividing by a negative, remember the number does one thing but the negative does another, this reflects. And it's up to you to know whether it reflects across the y-axis or the x-axis. So as you do your review, make sure you've got your chart out to kind of show you through the rules, and you're using it as you go so that you're used to using it for your tests. So here we go. Number one. First things first, your vertex is whatever's added in the middle, flipped, and the outside. So it becomes a positive 3. Well, actually, I take it back. This is a linear equation. There's no power out here. There's no absolute value. This one actually doesn't have a vertex. Okay, because linears don't have vertex. They're just lines. Okay, they don't bend. They don't curve. Nothing like that. All right, but we are going to say this. We're going to start with the outside. That 2 on the outside. That is outside, so it's vertical. And you're multiplying by 2, and it's normal, so it's a stretch by 2. The 3 on the inside, it's subtracting, therefore it is a shift. So it goes either left or right, and since it's negative, we're going to go right, because the inside is backwards. And since this is a linear equation, it goes, your domain, all real numbers, because it goes left forever and right forever. Range is also all real numbers, because it goes left forever and right forever. Okay. Number 2 is also linear. Okay, so this one is not going to have a vertex either. And it's also linear, which also means it's going to go left forever and it's going to go right forever. Okay, because that's your line. The lines look like that or like that. They go both directions forever. So we'll start with the outside. I got this 1/3 on the outside. So again, that's vertical. And whenever you divide by 3, well, that's getting smaller. So that's a shrink by 3, I'm sorry. And then outside we have this plus 5. It's outside, so we're adding, it's a shrink. And it's outside, so we know that it's either up or down, so in this case it's up 5. Alright, those are your general rules. And that's all I'm going to leave for this video. I kind of want you to try 3 through 10 or 3 through 12, whatever I got in this first section, and then come back and watch the videos and see how you did. Okay?